Negligent and irresponsible parents are the targets of a campaign to be launched by the PNP and CRPO. The campaign comes in the wake of several cases of missing children, many of them blamed on the negligence of their parents. Alvin Baltazar has more.
The National Capital Region Police Office is decided to file appropriate charges against parents who will be found neglecting their children. This after the Metro Manila Police Office discovered that several cases children that they handled were found to be due to negligence by some parents whom are supposed to supervise their children.
Alaman natin na habang nag-round up tayo ng mga bata, mostly ng mga bata, aware yung mga ina, yung mga magulang na wala sila o kaya gumagala lang sila pero hindi sila reported sa atin kung kaya't nire-integrate natin sila sa kanilang parents. Most of them alam ng parents na gumagala lang sila or without parental supervision. So,
according to Mulitas, Task Group Angel is currently studying the legal measures that they may apply against responsible parents in coordination with the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group and the Social Welfare Development Department. Negligence po. We're
carefully studying yung ating Republic Act 7610 at titingnan natin kung saan natin doon ipapasok yung ganong ginagawa ng ating mga magulang na pinapabayaan nila yung kanilang mga anak.
During the operation performed by Task Group Angel this past area, 35 children were recovered from different thoroughfares wherein 19 were handed over back to their respective families while 16 others were turned over to the SWD. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.